Hi students, today we are starting with codominance. In codominance, both the genes of a pair express themselves equally in F1 generation. In F2 generation, their phenotype ratio matches with the genotype and F2 progeny exhibit 1:1 ratio. You can see this is the F1 generation where red flower 1, pink flowers 2 and white flower 1. This is 1:1 ratio in genotypic and phenotypic also 1:1 ratio. This is known as the codominance. Now we will discuss codominance of blood groups. ABO blood group is the type of example of codominance. Suppose MM genotype has M blood group, person with NN genotype has N blood group. Similarly, MN genotype has MN blood group. In same manner, if a person has allele AB, then it has AB blood group. Now, in this we will see, this is allele from parent 1, this is allele from parent 2, this is genotype of offspring and this is blood group of offspring. Now here we will see this allele IA, this is IA, genotype IA, blood group will be A because both have A genes. Now one parent has A, other parent has B, combination it will become IAIB and it will represent blood group AB according to genes, as you can see. Then third, IA and small I means it is recessive gene. Then you can see they both will combine and again blood group it will represent A. Recessive characteristic will hide itself. Then IB, IA, again combination IAIB, blood group AB. Then B in offspring IBIB, it will show blood group B. One parent has IB, other parent has recessive character small I. In combination in offspring, it will show IB, I, small I, and it will show blood group B. Then, suppose one parent has one recessive characteristic, that is small I. It has again small I, second parent. Then in offspring, both the characteristic will appear like this and it will show the blood group O. O is, as we know, O is the universal donor blood group and AB is the universal recipient. Now we are starting our next topic, that is multiple effect of the genes, that is pleiotropism and pleiotropic gene. When a gene produces more than one phenotypic effect totally unrelated is called pleiotropic gene, and the phenomenon of controlling more than one character at the same time is known as pleiotropism. Mendel proposed law of unit character, which means each characteristic is controlled by one gene, but a pleiotropic gene influences some related or unrelated characters. Example, sickle cell anemia in men. As we can see on the screen, this is the again example of codominance. Now we will see here, it is phenotype, it is genotype, here it is female. You can see this is the S means sickle cell character, A means normal. Here male, again you can see HbA, HbS. Now when both will be fused, gametes will be same only. Now when both will be fused, in first condition HbA, HbA, this is HbA, HbS, here HbA, HbS and HbS, HbS. Now here we can see this is 1, these both 2 and this is 1. So phenotypic ratio as well as genotypic ratio 1 to 1. So here 25% chances of sickle cell anemia disease in the offspring. This will be purely sickle cell child. It is partial and it is clear child. There is no sickle cell anemia disease. So total ratio will be 1 to 1 and 25% is of sickle cell disease in the forthcoming generation. Today whatever I have taught you, I am sending you its PDF. Thank you.